When she crossed the finish line first, it wasn't just a personal victory. It was a moment that sent shockwaves through the entire nation. Dionne Hemmings had captured gold. In doing so, she became the first Jamaican woman ever to win an Olympic gold medal. Think about that, the very first. She was also the first Jamaican athlete, male or female, to win gold in an individual Olympic event since 1976. The significance of that victory went far beyond the stadium. Her triumph completely changed how the world viewed Jamaican athletics. It was definitive proof that Jamaica could dominate not just in the short sprints, but across the entire spectrum of track and field. More importantly, it ignited a fire in the hearts of a generation of young Jamaican girls. It showed them that Olympic greatness wasn't just a dream. It was an achievable reality. Dionne continued to represent Jamaica at multiple Olympic Games and World Championships, remaining a consistent force at the highest level of competition. Off the track, she became a role model, a mentor, and a powerful symbol of perseverance and what's possible when you refuse to give up.